Today, I'm diving into a wild challenge. Can a hacker actually help boost my credit score? Let's find out. Your credit score plays a huge role in your financial life, affecting everything from loan approvals to interest rates. So it's no wonder people are curious about boosting it quickly. But can hacking your way to a better credit score really work? Low credit scores can make life tough. High interest rates, loan rejections, and even higher deposits for utilities can be a real pain. Some folks might feel like they're stuck with a bad score due to past mistakes or financial hardships. That's why the idea of hacking your credit score seems so appealing. It's like finding a shortcut to financial freedom. But here's the thing, there's no magic trick to instantly fix your credit score. The biggest misconception is that there's a quick fix or a secret hack to boost your score overnight. Some might promise you a shortcut, but these often come with risks and rarely deliver. For instance, buying a credit score boost from a shady company might sound tempting, but these services usually don't actually improve your score. Instead, they might even hurt it further. So, what actually works? Paying your bills on time, for one. It's simple but powerful. Reducing debt and avoiding new credit inquiries can also help. And if there's an error on your credit report, disputing it can make a big difference. These steps take time and effort, but they're reliable. On the other hand, unethical hacking methods like identity theft or false reporting are not only illegal but can also backfire and severely damage your financial health. The truth is, improving your credit score isn't about finding a hack. It's about developing good financial habits. This means being patient and consistent. Over time, these habits can lead to significant improvements in your credit score. So instead of looking for shortcuts, focus on building a solid financial foundation. To sum it up, while the idea of hacking your credit score might seem appealing, it's not worth the risk. Ethical and effective credit improvement comes from responsible financial habits. If you've had experiences with credit scores, good or bad, I'd love to hear about them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more financial advice and tips to help you manage your money like a pro.